Those that know me know that I passionately pursue innovation and advanced technologies. I get the honor to open up the discussion on artificial intelligence. Now, as a recovering small-town Tennessee boy, when I hear those words, artificial intelligence, I think of that obnoxious uncle that thought he knew everything. That was artificial intelligence to me. But coming up here and explaining or describing artificial intelligence to such a crowd can be daunting. Even the word scary kind of comes to mind. AI, I'm going to give it a shot. AI can be described as giving a machine or a computer the capacity or the ability to think, to learn, and to make decisions similar to how humans do. AI is formed and functions primarily through the use of machine learning and algorithms. Algorithms are basically the building blocks or the guts of AI. Machine learning uses these building blocks and provided data to create the AI, making these machines perform intelligently as if they were a human. I like to use analogies. An analogy for this could be for AI is teaching a child to recognize different types of fruits. So AI is the child's brain. It can think, it can learn, and it can make decisions. Machine learning is the process of teaching the child through examples. You show the child an apple, an orange, a banana, and you do this over and over and over again. And each time that child learns to be a little bit more about what makes that particular fruit unique. And it improves their ability to identify the different types of fruit in the future. The child's improving ability to recognize the fruit or identify the fruit is like the machine learning's ability and learning algorithm that gets better with the task time and time again as it receives more data. So like a human, the more data that AI gets or is exposed to, the smarter and the better it becomes at making accurate decisions. Now, for fun and demonstration, all my slides that you're going to see up here were created by AI using some keywords regarding whatever the subject I'm talking about. This is going to be great because it's going to show you a sampling of both the capabilities of AI, but also some of the limitations of AI. Some examples of using AI, this is going to be a little fun, in the road safety infrastructure industry. So you can take AI and you can use and analyze data such as geometric to geospatial, from speeds to sensors, from images to text and so forth. And what we do is we can use it in our planning and our design, like deciding where high friction surface treatments are needed. It could be for maintaining assets, like knowing when to replace damaged guardrail. Or it could be for smart work zones, knowing and helping traffic flow, protecting both our workers and our people our motorists that are driving through. And it can also help us with predictive maintenance. And that's like to know when our signs and lines need to be replaced. Now, I'm going to stop for just a second because I want you to see what AI did here. I said a slippery curve with cars spinning. Well, that did pretty good there. I said a guardrail that needed to be repaired. Yep, that needs to be repaired. And then I said connected work zones. You'll notice if you look really closely at the top right, you'll see some work zone stuff in that. And that actually is pretty good. Now, the other two get interesting. That was contractor installing a stop sign. Now, it looks pretty good, but if you look really closely, you'll see there's about 20 poles sticking in the ground around that stop sign. I have no idea what that contractor is about to do, but that's interesting. The most interesting to me, being in the pavement marking industry, is this interesting apparatus for contractor putting markings on the road. So you can see AI has not been exposed to a lot of information and images about installing stop signs or putting lines on the road. I'm obviously excited about AI. Why am I excited? Because I've worked decades in the collection of data. And I believe that AI is going to help us produce meaningful and actionable fruit from all of those efforts. I'm excited about using AI in the acquisition of data itself. We have moved so far with LiDAR, video technologies, geospatial technologies, robotic technologies, and all of that is great. But what AI can do is it can enhance those tools and help us with our collection, our correction, and our classification of that data that's obtained, and provide us with real-time decisions and instructions and during the process so that we can collect better data. Another area that I think that's super important is that we can use this AI, this artificial intelligence, in our post-data analysis. So using those technologies, we get near endless supply of big data. I imagine a lot of you out there are already inundated with big data, more data than you can handle as it is. And so we have volume and variety. We have millions and millions and millions of data points. We have a variety of data. We have calculations, images, text, videos. How do we harness the power of that big data? And we can do it through artificial intelligence. With artificial intelligence, we replace an army of people and years of analysis and processing. With artificial intelligence, we can uncover patterns, trends, and associations with big data almost instantaneously. This is going to assist us in better decisions in our planning and our projects. But what I'm most excited about AI is that it's going to help us reach our ultimate goal. And ladies and gentlemen, what's our ultimate goal? Saving lives.